Welcome back. In this setting, I'm going to show the strategy for $400 trading capital. The strategy for $400 trading capital. So we need to continue from where we stop. If you didn't understand, go and watch from the coin selection to the $100 trading capital down to this $400 trading capital. You will understand everything that we are talking about. If you are here to join the Telegram channel, go and join the Telegram channel. You will see everything there. The channel is strictly for the trade setting. You can't see any other thing aside from the trade setting on the channel. So we are adding two extra margin call. We are adding into our existing margin call. It means from 26 to 28. We have 26 here. Look at the setting is okay, it's still the same. We just change this. We only need to change two things: margin call limit and supposition. We are changing this to 28 and click on save. Check it again whether it has changed. We need to redo it. 28. Click on save. Let's check it again. As we can see, everything is okay. We need to click on margin configuration. We scroll down from the previous setting. Scroll down. So scroll down. 27th margin call 1%, 28th margin call 1%, but our buy position ratio will change to 1.6. 1.6. If you don't understand this, go and watch my previous video. You'll be able to know. 1.6. Now we've increased our dip percentage to 70%. 70%. Dip percentage to 70%. Now to 70%, and the next thing is the next thing that I'm going to show, which I'm going to show in my next video, strategy for $450 trading capital. $450 trading capital. Let's check the supposition, distribution and take profit allocation. We change it to 3333. Now it's correct. Click on confirm. We click on save. Voila, we are done.